important thing about floating out butt joints is you need a good knife. You want a good knife that's straight and solid. The most important things you need to know are where to apply pressure on the knife. So right here, right there, you're just going straight. But when you are cutting an edge here, you're gonna want this knife, all the pressure to be on one corner like that. You see all the light coming through? That's because there's no pressure there. It's all on my tip right here so that that corner can be cut, okay? So, boom, right here we just put it on normal. No pressure, even pressure throughout the knife. We're just putting on mud. The best thing you can do is put this mud on evenly as possible. The more evenly you put it on, the better your product is gonna stay at the end. So now we're coming to right here, and you're gonna want to apply all your pressure to one corner. Look at this. That's gonna, what you call, cut the edge. And now, right here, we just apply even pressure, and we come up. And then right here, now we're gonna apply the pressure, not too much, but slightly to the left corner of the knife, so that it digs in right here, because this isn't done. We want this to be finished. And it's gonna stay, you're gonna have to sand it after, but you're gonna be left with a small lap mark right there. That will sand out. This will not. So we don't wanna leave those. I'm putting most of the pressure on the corner, left corner of my knife, so that it doesn't gouge into this side and it gouges into this side. And then right here, the same thing, pressure to the left, and you cut that edge. And that's done.